Hi, I'm Manisha Vinayak Jadhav. I'm in the field of data science and artificial intelligence. After working for IT industry for 19 years in a corporate job, I started my own business 4 years back. Now, what I have experienced that having expertise into technology is not sufficient for you to build a business. So I tried multiple things, but at the same time, I have realized though you have business competencies, at the same time, if you have generational issues with respect to beliefs, that can hinder your growth. I belong to a farmers community where I'm the first 10 pass in my village. Obviously, if I have been listening to my parents, my grandparents, all uncles and aunties saying that money does not grow on tree, or it's not easy for a Maharashtrian girl to build and scale your business. So I have built that kind of a belief, and though I was trying everything in my business, I was not generating leads as well as getting opportunities in my business. 6 months back, I have joined Dr. M's community. Within 6 months, I have realized what kind of emotional issues or leakages I have. So I have been continuously working on myself, going through different meditation processes as well as healing processes through Dr. M as well as her crew. I can see a significant difference in myself as well as my environment. Earlier, even if there are small triggers, I used to react to that. Now I can handle my emotions in a better manner, as well as these triggers does not impact me anymore. I have full control of my emotions as well as the way I react to situations. I'm attracting more opportunities. Additionally, I had a lot of money issues or money blockages I created due to self-sabotage as well as self-sacrifices. And I never realized, though I'm doing everything best, why I am not achieving the kind of materialistic success that I'm looking for. But after going through these processes, I'm healing myself, I'm working on myself, and I can see I'm attracting many more opportunities as well as converting them into materialistic success. Thank you. So I will definitely recommend each and every person who is going for any kind of emotional challenges or any kind of challenges for emotional relationships or career related issues, definitely they can heal themselves, because even though you are working in the world of IT, AI, data science, at the end of the day, you are human beings and human beings are with emotions. And if you align your emotions with your inner world, then only you can achieve success in outer world. Thank you.